and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my Christmas home tour, and I hope this video gives you guys some Christmas decoration ideas or just some Christmas inspiration. And before I do get started on my video, I just want to remind you that this coming Sunday is going to be my last giveaway to my holiday giveaways. I'm going to be giving away one of my round door signs, a $30 gift card to Target, and a candle, so don't miss out. Now let's get started on this video. So I'm going to be starting my video with this beautiful wreath that I have hanging up on my front door. And the wreath is real, and I bought it from my little niece's school fundraiser, so thank you so much, Aaliyah, for that. And then I also got to choose what color of ribbon I wanted, and I chose this beautiful burlap with polka dots. Okay, so next I'm moving on into my entryway, and this is what it looks like. And then I will be telling you where I did buy all of my Christmas things, but if you are interested in anything else, just let me know in the comments down below and I will let you know. That really cute party of 5 that is going to be linked in my Etsy shop down below. This vintage Santa is from Michael's, and I did purchase him a few years ago. The sign that says "This house believes in Santa" is also linked in my Etsy shop down below. I just filled this container filled with pine cones. The little snowman here is one of my very first Christmas decorations, and I bought him at a thrift store. And this cloth here is from Target in the Joanna Gaines collection, and this was only $3.99, and I did buy this year. And moving up my stairs, I ran this beautiful twine garland that I purchased at Michael's. And it just has all these beautiful pine cones and red berries. These Christmas picks, I did purchase those at the Dollar Tree. And they have a really pretty frosted pine cone and these really pretty red birds. This greenery that you see on top of my cabinet, I just removed the bottom of my Christmas tree. So this is actually part of my Christmas tree. And the reindeer is from Michael's. These candlesticks are from Target from the Earth and Hand collection. And the books are also linked in my Etsy shop. Now for the bottom of my cabinet, I didn't really decorate for Christmas in here. I just added this really pretty flower that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I set it on top of 2 books and a plate. And the snowman is from the Dollar Tree. Now we're going to move on to my couches and my coffee table. I kept them very simple. But on my love seat, I have that cream colored pillow, and that is from Ross. The Christmas tree pillow is a Dollar Tree DIY pillow. The gray knitted pillow in the back of that couch is from Ross. And the Santa vintage pillow there is also a Dollar Tree DIY. Now for my coffee table, I kept it very simple as well. I just placed a Christmas magazine on top of this charger that I bought at Michael's, and I placed a candle inside of that Christmas wreath. The little Christmas wreath is also from Michael's. Now we're moving to this side of the living room. I'm going to start with the shelf that I have on the right of my couch. I'm going to start off by showing you this really pretty Dollar Tree DIY that I put together. This little church and house and post office are a DIY. I did paint those in a DIY last year. And in this farmhouse market container that I did purchase at Michael, I just added one of these Christmas picks that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and then I added some more of the greenery from my Christmas tree. On the second shelf, I just have these very pretty vintage plates that I purchased from a local thrift store. And moving down below, I just have this container and I filled it with pine cones. And these fake logs are from Michael's, and I just set them on top of more branches from my Christmas tree. And this ladder that you see in the corner is something that Franklin made for me, and I think he did an amazing job. So I hung my kids' stockings on there. And the kids' stocking tags are also made by Franklin. The little Christmas bells that you see hanging on the side of the ladder are a Dollar Tree DIY that I made this year. And in front of the ladder, I have this brown chair, and I threw a red Christmas throw blanket over the top that I purchased at Ross. The reindeer pillow is from Michael's a few years ago. Now moving on over to my TV, this is Ralph. This is my kid's elf, and it says, "Here kitty kitty," and he has my cat's toy and some of his treats. And at the bottom of my TV stand, I added 3 birch logs to each side that my stepdad gifted, and those are real birch logs. And at the bottom, I added 2 galvanized houses, and those are from Walmart. Now moving on to my Christmas tree. As you can see, we ditched the Christmas tree skirt this year, and Franklin made that Christmas tree box, which I absolutely love. I think he did a really good job. We sold tons and tons of those on our Facebook page this year. And for the Christmas tree, my 5-year-old Sophia decorated the Christmas tree this year, so I am going to give all the credit to her. And all of my Christmas tree ornaments are from the Dollar Tree. Growing up, we always had little red apples on our Christmas tree. So when I found these little red apples at a thrift store, I decided that I would bring them home and keep my parents' tradition. And Sophia did a really good job decorating the Christmas tree this year, so way to go, Sophia. Now moving on to my dining room, I have these 2 large shelves. And on there I added this really cute Santa, and he is from the Dollar Tree. This block calendar is from Michael's. And at the top I just added some greenery into those small mason jars. This Christmas wreath is from Walmart a few years ago. Now moving down to my hedge, I kept it super simple. And I just added my Better Homes new cookbook, and that little snowman that you see is also one of my very first Christmas decorations, and then I just added some Christmas picks to the back. And over in the corner, I just added one of those tall skinny Christmas trees, and this one is from Michael's. For the center of my table, I just ran this really pretty runner that I purchased from Big Lots. And for the center of my table, I'm using this fruit tray that is from the Princess House collection, and I added 2 candlesticks to the side and just filled it in with some Christmas decor. The small white houses at the bottom are from the Dollar Tree. The Santa that you see there in the center was a gift from a customer, and the Christmas trees are from the Target dollar spot. At the top, I just added a mason jar and added some greenery. The greenery is real greenery from my Christmas tree, and then just some small picks from the Dollar Tree and red berries from the Dollar Tree. And the little snowman that you see there is from the Dollar Tree. And on this side of my dining room is my coffee station. At the very top I have this sign that says Farm Fresh Christmas Trees, and that is from Big Lots. And the 2 Christmas trees on each side are from the Target Dollar Spot. This glass mason jar is a Dollar Tree DIY, and I just added my stir straws in there. The snowman is from Big Lots. And this really cute vintage snowman is from a local thrift store. And on this wall I have a really large mirror from Lowe's, and I just added a Christmas wreath that I DIY'd as well. Alright guys, and that's going to be the end of my video. I really hope that this video gave you guys some Christmas decoration ideas or just some Christmas inspiration. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you do hit that little red bell button so that you guys get notified every time I post a new video. And once again, don't forget that this coming Sunday I am going to be doing my last holiday giveaway, so you guys don't want to miss out. And I will see you guys all on my next one. Bye.